In colors Lava Red and Vivid Black, we have a 2005 Harley-Davidson FXSTDI Softail Deuce. From my experience here, over 4 years, the Softail Deuce does not spend much time on the showroom floor. These get purchased pretty quickly. Great looking bike. 13 years old with under 74,000 miles. The way the bike looks defies both its age and the number of miles. Previous owner upgraded the grips, peg, toe shifter, and I believe the seat also. Nice looking seat with red stitching and a low passenger backrest. Stage 1 kit here, judging from the Reinhardt pipes and the K&N high flow air filter. Reinhardt pipes, that means we got to start it. Sounds as good as she looks. Bike is available for a test look. Check it out, it's beautiful. Test listen, Reinhardt pipes, and a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle between Vista and Escondido in San Marcos, right off the 78.